Hello, guys. Today, I'm Coach Mark, and today we're going to go over our data for uh, for our track and field unit. We're going to start with our pre-assessment, which was basically a simple peer assessment or peer evaluation of whether or not they were able to do certain things. So we have it simplified here in our description. Period of the suspension where both feet are off the ground. As you can see, we struggled, and a few people struggled with that. We had an average of 2.3, and our next criteria with the head being forward. Something else that we kind of struggled with. A lot of students want to put their head down as they ran, or do what I like to call the Naruto run, where they flail their arms back behind them and put their head down. Uh, it was something that we had to address as throughout the unit. Um, Also, 90-degree elbows and knees. Like I said, the Naruto run is something that we had to work on eliminating. So we had an average of 2.6 there. Also, our strong point was foot placement. If we look at our rubric here, it'll show that for foot placement, landing on the balls of our feet. Neither feet are flat-footed when they come down. This is one of the strong points that we had for our pre-assessment. Actually, I was kind of excited about that. Not a lot of heavy feet. Now, through practice and doing tag drills and other fun games, we were able to get across, help the students understand that running form is important if you want to be able to be successful at these games. Um, we noticed a lot of improvement during our post assessment, which was the students playing a game of tag, and teachers did an assessment of their running. So we went for a period of suspension. We went up to a 3.04. Kind of improved on head forward. 90-degree elbows definitely improved, and foot placement improved just a little bit. Feel like it was important. Most important part was getting students to understand how the rubric worked, or what was important to take away from the rubric, for them to take away from the rubric. Mainly was getting everybody to understand foot placement and arms, because our key point was letting them know that your arms make your legs move. They're gonna, whichever way your arms move, your legs will move in the opposite direction, helping you create force. It's been a joy sharing this data with you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I would love to hear from you.